So, it's 27 degrees and I got my coat on and long gloves. But we got thorns.
Yeah, we call them stinging needles.
I don't know if it is or not. Do you know?
Yeah, but they're taking over your land.
Taking over my potato. So they got to go.
Yeah, we call them stinging needles. So you got that little purple flower.
What the Bible say about tarns or something? Grow up choking out, isn't it?
It's windy today, man. Matt's gone. Sorry, Bobby.
Oh, Dina.
Yeah, it's almost too warm to have.
Foxglove's going too, Dina.
So in among there, if you could see back there, is our foxgloves that me and Alice, my sister, used to grow years ago. There's some there too as well. Really pretty when they're out, but.
For steaks or for steak?
Oh, yeah, sure it is, Bobby. There's some they're well took over, eh?
Simba.
Yeah. So this little plot of land is like what? Not very big, 8 by 10. 8 by 10. And you would not believe the potatoes we get out of this little spot. Perry, give it to Bobby the year because we got our big garden.
Whew.
Some work in it, brother.
Well, it is what it is.
Yeah. But you got to pull it up because, I mean, it'll just take over soil.
It's choking the spuds.
Yeah, choking it with spuds, yeah. And you haven't touched that with naked hands?
Right?
Yeah. You don't want to touch that with naked hands.
Try to keep the butt crack off video.
So here's our pond today, folks. We got a little bit of wind coming down the pond today. But just look what a gorgeous day we got. Can't ask for no better.
The only thing the blessing you got is the weed is not rooted.
Okay.
Not rooted very much, right? Whew.
Now, Bobby, you afraid of snakes there?
No.
Bobby's not afraid of snakes, but sister is afraid of one. And Alice is afraid too. We're all scared of snakes. Some great gloves on there, brother.
Yeah, I can feel the thorns from.
What?
Yeah,
Through them gloves?
sure. Never believe it, will you?
Oh, sir. Not much of root to it then.
See, you know it's me. I had to put off in the shit, then never be found if I put it off.
Something like Perry, everything he puts on he loses.
Never sees no more.
No. Well, Bobby, when did we plant these now?
These was late, didn't they?
Yeah, I think it was like,
These was really late.
yeah, like what, July, June?
Yeah, I think somewhere around.
Like getting into the last,
We was well up to the 25th of June, wasn't
yes, I think so.
it? Where we planted these.
Yeah. Get rid of it all, Bobby. Don't save no foxglove.
Whew.
Yeah,
See this fella?
yeah.
It's beautiful.
It is.
It's a little bit toxic, I think.
Oh
I
yeah.
think because not to let children around it. Poison, right?
Oh yes. So Bobby, do you need to fertilize anymore now?
I would like to come out of August. And you fertilise them now, they'll be good for the rest of the year, right? Until harvest time.
Some weeds there.
Full top scrub, it works then, isn't it? Oh.
Well, whatever it is, all taken over, eh?
Strawberries, raspberry bushes.
Everything is taking over the potato. I think you're doing pretty good though. You can see the rows.
You won't know what thing is now.
You can see the rows that he got there. That's his potato. And what kind of potato was that, Bobby?
This was white russets.
Oh, little russets. Okay.
Yeah. Pontiacs over in the garden, russets, yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully you get something out of it, Rod.
Yeah. So I never know. There you have it.
You got to try. Now, what do you call it? Now, Bobby, you on a mop, is it?
Yeah. Where you get those sunburned potatoes.
Yes, right.
Where it takes to the surface of and the sun burns in green. It makes it no good to eat.
Your period on that 1 year, you didn't want to fool around with them.
Right? But you get some sunburn. It's no good.
No.
Actually, I think, in all fairness, I think sunburn carries some kind of toxin in it. It could make you sick. I know.
What's down there? Red.
That's me Ori.
Oh, that's your knife. Not showing. So, folks, this is the Ori.
Me Ori from EW Gaze, St. John.
Are you finding good?
Oh, he's awesome too.
Yeah.
He's wonderful for sticking in the ground and forgetting them. And look alongside you, look.
I know, folks, if you've seen this summer,
Just look.
this is absolutely crazy. Bobby's going to cut it off and show us. There it is. Field, if you don't know what it is.
Look.
Now, Bobby, we'll give them to the chickens there.
Tent caterpillars.
10 caterpillars.
Look, they're millions.
And they're, just look, I mean, they're crazy. And I'm going to feed them now to my chickens and my couple turkeys.
I think you got turkeys, that's it.
Yeah, no, we put our small chickens in there too. There's our turkeys right there, and we got a couple chickens here.
Here, throw that in, little eat it. There.
Yeah, when they realize this is something they could eat, I don't know if the turkeys realizes it, but the chickens, I'm sure they do. Hey, come on, eat them. Oh, they love the caterpillars, the chickens do. And we got 3 turkeys. We had 5 turkeys, and we had 2 babies that got wet when they were small. When they realize there's caterpillars there, they're going to be gone. Good, Bobby.
Oh, sweat roll up.
Good, yeah, it's hard work, isn't it? If anyone thinks that gardening is easy, you better think again.
Right. Yes, sir.
Here's our sun coming out.
Yeah.
This is our valley that we see in our from our house.
Hello, sister.
Brother, now I've never used a hole before. Now it's strange to me because you just basically use a corner.
Yeah.
There's the hole. So what we're using, just a little corner. You can see Bobby got paint knocked off him.
All right.
He's turned the man on his corner. Pulls up soil.
Use the sharp part.
This is not something I've done very often, Bobby.
No. It's not something you can't do. Nice boots, by the way.
Yeah, you fun maker.
Stay right out in the middle of the drill, because it was not healed, right? So Dini, how's the Facebook site doing?
I think we got like 6,200 people on there now.
Yeah, I know. 6,200 people.
Yeah.
Wow. And we got some wonderful gardeners on there with lots of knowledge too, Dini.
More knowledge than me and you got. We just started. We're just little beginners.
Right?
We've grown cabbage and carrot. I mean, but we're far from professionals, I Bob.
Yeah. We don't claim to be. We don't claim to be either. Right?
No, we just enjoys it. We have lots of fun.
We do.
And if you're not having fun gardening, no point to be at it.
No, it's true. It is what they call it.
You might as well give it up.
Right?
Because you're going to punch a whole lot of time into it.
You do it. So anyway, we soon have these healed up. I'll take over again now, finish healing them. And boys, if you don't follow us on YouTube, then we're on the Newfoundland Gardener on YouTube as well, where most of our videos are.
Yeah.
We got to go mix up some lime too, Dini, for them 2 or 3 tomato plants that we missed. So
Yeah.
we do that too now.
Right.
So here we go, folks. I got them healed up, and we await the thorn bushes is tore up and they're healed up. So next thing to see here now is what the harvest is going to bring. So in our blossom in rot video, I couldn't find Doreen's lime, so I got it found today, and I wanted to make sure that I filled you in. So probably 6 liters of water in this bucket, and 3 handfuls of lime.
Limestone or lime, whichever you might call it.
Yeah, so it goes dumped in.
It's almost like cement. Oh,
It is, same as making cement.
yeah. That's what it looks like, and that's exactly what it feels like, and it's very dusty too.
So this lime is loaded in calcium.
Everything good, sweet.
So this sweetens soil. So what we're going to do is those 3 tomatoes that got blossom in rot. This is the long-term fix. Once you do this, you shouldn't have to do this no more than a year.
No.
What happened to us? I'm pretty sure we missed some.
We did. We missed a couple plants.
We missed some plants. So.
We put it on all plants, and 3 got it. So I think we missed 2 or 3.
If Danny follows me, I'm going to give him some.
Yeah. Where's she too, Bobby? The main one is on over here. Boys, I tell you now, she's getting overgrown now.
There's our blossoming rock one. And this is a solo cup.
See, I mean, you only got to look in through there. There it is. See? And
So
Bobby's.
2 cups lime.
Yeah.
Where's the other one too, Danny?
I'm trying to remember now. But I know it was right there somewhere. There was one. Right there, look. Can you see his bottom?
Yeah,
right
see
there.
bottom. So which one
This
is
one.
it?
Right there in front of you. Straight in front of you. This
Yep,
one, look.
that one.
Yeah. And we're also getting gnats, Bobby.
The only way to kill them is sand. You need to put a couple inches of sand.
Yeah. That's what Bennett said.
So what we got? Any more that needs it?
Hold on now, Bobby. I got one under my patio. Hold on now.
Okay.
Here's the plant with the blossom in rot, and this is what you're looking at right there. Now Bobby's going to add it to it. Oh,
This is a fish tub full, so
yeah.
that won't hurt. Any more blossom in
I
rot?
think that's about it. No, I mean that's not going to hurt any plant. Look at this little fella. He's loaded. Look.
Now that's little
That's the little
determinant.
determinants there. There it is. They're coming, but they're way down. Determinant, you got almost lifting up because there's the weight of it. Usually he tips over. See up under? That's usually water too. That's the container one. Oops.
Hey, sister.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
I just put the rest of them on whatever.
Yes, that's fine. It's only lime, right?
Yeah. And
So, Bobby, them big ones we got, we
Over
grew.
they're over there. They're over here. Look, getting big there. Look.
Oh, we got one.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Getting big there.
Yeah, I didn't think I had either one.
They're not going to be very small either. Look. This is August.
Yeah.
And you got some of them again. Now, they're different variety. What is it you call them?
Yeah, that's an Italy tomato. I got it on me. I should get them, I suppose, and
Yeah.
show you.
I got name, I forgot to. But look at this fella. This fellow's gone up in the apple tree.
He's got an apple tree. He's
Huh?
going on to the apple tree.
Yeah. Yeah, you're going to have some big ones again, Sissy.
It looks like.
Yeah.
It's good. That's good, too. I didn't think I had one. This one's reaching over there. Now Bobby trying to get the string.
Beautiful thing about a little tomato, if you didn't know, you see that little tiny knuckle right there where he's fatter? That little fat knuckle. When he's ripe and red and ready to pluck, just go opposite that little knuckle and he'll break really easy for you. He got a knuckle. Did you know that tomatoes had knuckles?
No, Bobby, I'm gonna
Because
get
there's
my
this
paper.
one.
I'm gonna get my paper.
This one's knuckles right there. Easy to see, folks. If you take a good look, the knuckle's right there. And he breaks really easy on that knuckle. Deanie, this is a beautiful little tomato. He's different. He's not a round bottom. What's the name of this fellow?
Yeah. So I went in the house and I found a packet. There it is. I think it's from Walmart, Bobby. Me and you picked them up.
Gusto Italiano.
Tomato.
There you go.
I think it's Italian tomato.
But they grow good.
Yeah, they're growing pretty good. Gary's not real big, but I've seen them bigger than that in the greenhouse. And so here's some of our little tomatoes from our determinant.
Right.
And if you ever tasted a tomato you grew yourself, is amazing. Another one there too, got Bobby covered. So a couple of years ago, me and Bobby ended up in Gander to the hospital, and me and Bobby was like shopping for flowers because it was in the spring of the year. And he got dahlias, and then we took seed. He took seed of them, and I planted them. And look at them now; they're all loaded with flowers. Bobby, see?
Pretty, isn't it? Gorgeous, huh?
So this is the one we keep in the container because they're not real big.
But he's some pretty.
Yeah. So we've got a lot of seed of them, and you had a lot of different ones, different colors. You had
I did. I had that pretty orange.
Yeah.
But
He almost looks like he got a little bit of orange too, and look.
yeah.
And then the plain yellow.
Right. So they come good. I harvested the seed just before I dug them up in the fall, right?
Yeah.
Turned out beautiful, didn't they? I'm Bob the Newfoundland Gardener. Let's keep growing on the rock, everyone. Have a great one. Bye.